We are all family here, but I have another family who has made the nation proud, who has made everybody's heart swell with pride, and because of whom the celebrations don't stop. So I cannot tell you what an overwhelming feeling it is to have my Mumbai Indians family with me here tonight. Tonight is a day of celebration. But tonight, besides Anant and Radhika, we are going to celebrate India.